Morning all. So let us implement today the second experiment of your syllabus. This experiment goes like this. You will gain weight if you eat too much or you do not exercise enough and your metabolism rate is too low. Design a system such that it alarms you when you gain weight using NAND gates only. So the components required for the conduction of the experiment is digital trainer kit. We need two types of NAND gates, 7400 that is 2 input NAND gate and 3 input NAND gate which is 7410. So this is the pin diagram of 2 input NAND gate 7400. So as the figure depicts, 1 2 is input, 3 is output, 4 5 is input, 6 is output. Similarly 12 13 is input, 11 is output, 9 and 10 is input, 8 is output. And also 7410 3 input NAND gates. Here there is a small change. 1 2 13 is input, please remember 1 2 13 is input, 12 is output. 3 4 5 is input for one more NAND gate, 6 is output. So this IC will be having only 3 NAND gates, not more than this. So 9 10 and 11 is input, 8 is output. So let us now design the circuit. To design the circuit we need as usual the Boolean expression. To get the Boolean expression, let us consider certain variables for the different conditions. First condition, as the statement depicts, so you have to, it will gain weight. So weight is one attribute, exercise is another attribute, metabolism is another attribute. So all three attributes represent it using variables x, y and z. So correspondingly we can write the truth table. So if you eat too much, if your exercise is too low, not done the exercise, metabolism is too low, it will be alarming. So this is the concerning truth table. So this truth table has to be realized using only NAND gate, or you have to satisfy the truth table when you design the circuit. So this is a truth table. This is the Karnaugh map simplification being done. So the expression that you get after simplification is x complement, y and z the whole complement. Fine. So this is the expression to be implemented, and so the corresponding circuit will be like this. So x going to NAND gate, you will get x complement, then y z and x complement taken through 3 input NAND gate, that is NAND gate 2 and the corresponding output. So we are going to realize the circuit. After realizing the circuit, you are supposed to satisfy this truth table. Fine. So let us conduct the experiment now. So you need to have 2 input NAND gate, that is 7400. So like the other IC, please face the notch towards the north side and plug into the socket. As usual for this also it is 7 is ground, 14 is VCC. So this is also 14 pin IC. So 7 is ground and 14 is VCC. Now according to the pin diagram which is already shown, 1 2 is input, 3 is output. So now 2 input NAND gate is being used to obtain x complement. Fine. So to find x complement, take the input from input logic input, one point of the logic input, connect it to pin number 1 of the NAND gate. So you should short the input because this should work like a NOT gate. You are not supposed to use a NOT gate, you are supposed to use only the NAND gate. So this should work like a NOT gate. To work like a NOT gate, you have to short it. So how to short is from the same input point, that is x. Okay, you make one more connection, you have a slot over there, make one more connection, and that is a second input for the NAND gate. So this means shorting the input, right? So take, I am repeating, take the same input through the one more slot available, through that you connect it to the second input of the NAND gate. So this is equivalent to shorting. So the output of this will be x bar. So keep it as it is. Fine. The next is we should get 3 input NAND gate. So 7410 is your 3 input NAND gate. So this 3 input NAND gate, take in one more socket. Okay. This is also 14 pin IC. So 7 is ground, 14 is VCC. So this is 14, that is VCC. Okay. So this goes with 3 input. One input from x complement, already we have kept the x complement ready, connect it to the pin number 3. I am using the second NAND gate from the pin diagram. 3, 4, 5 will be input, 6 will be output. You can use any gates, that's not a restriction. You can use 1, 2 and 13 and then take 12 as an output, but I am using 3, 4, 5, 6 as an output. So 3 goes with X bar, okay. Then 4th pin, take Y, give the input from Y from the logic input, connect it to the second input, okay. 3rd input goes from logic pin input 1 of the logic input and connect it to 5. So we have got all the 3 input. Output is 6th pin. That output you connect it to the output logic output pin. Okay. Now verify the truth table. Fine. To verify the truth table, for the input 0 0, according to the truth table, it should be high. So it is showing high. Fine. So if it is 0 1 0 0 1. If it is 0 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So these are the input points x, y and z. So 0 0 0, output is high, satisfies the first row. 0 0 0 0 1. If it is 0 0 1 also, the output is high, so it satisfies the truth table. If it is 0 1 and 0, then also output is high, so it satisfies the truth table. If it is 0 1 1, output is low. Means you are running out of metabolism. That means it should alarm. So it will alarm whenever it reaches 0, 1 and 1. So output is low. So satisfies the truth table. For the remaining combination 1, 0, 0, output is high. 1, 0, 1, then also output is high. 1, 1, 0 satisfies the truth table. 1, 1 and 1, this also satisfies the truth table. Okay. So this means that the designed circuit is working properly for the given problem. Okay. So that completes your second experiment.